Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export video from CapCut to your gallery, ensuring your edits are saved in the highest quality. First, finish your edits. Before you head to the export screen, do a final sweep of your timeline. Ensure your transitions are smooth, your audio is leveled, and you've removed the default CapCut ending clip if you don't want the watermark. Next, configure advanced export settings. In the 2026 version of CapCut, the export menu has been upgraded with a dedicated AI suite to help you get the best possible output for your hardware. You will see a new AI Ultra HD toggle. Tap this to see the enhanced features that sharpen your footage and inject real details into the final render. Below that, you'll see sliders for resolution. Choose between 1080p, 2K, or 4K. Frame rate 30 frames per second is standard, but 60 frames per second is better for smooth motion. Code rate. This is the most important for quality. You can manually slide this to high for maximum detail or lower it to save storage. Always adjust these based on your specific device and storage. High-end devices can handle 4K at a high code rate, but if you're low on space, 1080p with a recommended code rate is the safer bet. Once your settings are dialed in, hit the export arrow at the top right. Wait for the rendering bar to hit 100%. Do not close the app or lock your screen during this time to avoid glitches. Once the Ready to Share screen appears, exit the app and open your phone's gallery or Photos app. You can find your video in your gallery. Now play your video back to ensure the AI enhancement and resolution look exactly how you intended. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.